Hi guys, today we unbox this real gold epic treasure, King's Gold. This is the new one, but not the other. He has a new weapon, and he has a weapon, but inside I don't know what do I get? Get this guy. I wish I get that guy. Oh, here it is. Get it out.
A few moments later.
Yes. Everything's up. Another plastic. Seriously. Open this off first. Hey, what is up?
2 hours later.
The masterpiece. Woo! I found gold. You know, guys, what is your favorite? Golds. Golds is the very guys, just kidding. I don't want to cut that. Just open. Ooh! Do you see that, guys? Ooh, nice, nice. Interesting. This is really what I want. Wow. Wow. What is this doing here right here? We have this is our for we can dig it up. Hey, what's this actually? Hey, let's push this one. Hey guys, how are we gonna take this off? Literally. Get out of this. Get out.
2,000 years later.
I see a little bit clay inside. A secret. This is a secret, guys. There's a clay. Can't be there's a clay. This is a secret, guys. Open. So many clays inside. But we have this. You can dig it, guys. Yeah. Screw it up. Hey. You can play with it. Careful, guys. It can jump you. I have a piece. Guys, come here. Look, there's something inside. Yeah, get out. Hey, I know. Just only paper. It's all that only. Guys, you're thinking what I'm thinking. Ooh, that's interesting. I'm making a clay mess. Wait, guys, I have to open this first. So I can have a feet. This shelf. Look at what we have here, guys. It just broke. How about we open this first? Oh no. We need a scissor. Oh, wait, we don't need a scissor. There. Hey, what's this? What's this? Hey, we need a key. is this? What's so bouncy? Ooh, what is this? How all of them inside of them are plastic? It's like a kind of dragon. Yes, this is our weapon. This is our dragon. A dragon axe, I mean. But I don't know what. There's something inside. Hey, how about I think this is the last one. Plastic. If we get a character, yes, very excited. Ooh, I opened it. And I know that made all. Look at this. This is like
What?
Who's this guy? Look at this. And this is our. I'll fix the weapon in this end. What is happening with this end? How about, hey guys, how about we the lights off? Let's try it, guys. Wait, I will be right back. Like that, guys. Whoa, guys, it goes. You wanna see? It glows right. That is the glow of my toys. It glows up. Woo! Look at this guy, so cool! I love this guy. I cannot see anything. I need this glue. I can see anything. Hey, how about we there. Did you see that, guys? It glows. It glows. Ooh, this is the special thing I ever say. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe, click the bell, press likes, and if you want to see more video, search Phillippe and Phillippe.